Here are 20 commonly asked technical questions in HCL Technologies interviews. 1. What is your experience working with large-scale enterprise systems? 2. Can you explain your experience with cloud computing and virtualization technologies? 3. What is your experience with DevOps methodologies and tools, and how have you implemented them in the past? 4. What is your experience with database management systems, and how have you worked with them in the past? 5. Can you describe the testing methodologies and tools you use to ensure software quality? 6. What is your experience with automation technologies, and how have you used them to streamline workflows? 7. Can you share an example of a complex integration problem you have solved in the past? What was your approach, and how did you achieve the solution? 8. What strategies do you use to ensure software is well optimized, secure, and scalable? 9. Can you give an example of a time when you had to troubleshoot a technical problem? What was the problem, and how did you go about solving it? 10. What is your experience working with web services and APIs? 11. Explain your experience with any specific programming language, tool, or technology. 12. Can you share an example of how you identified and streamlined inefficiencies within a software system? 13. Can you describe your understanding of Agile methodology and how you have applied it in previous projects? 14. What is your experience with machine learning, and how have you implemented it in the past? 15. What are your views on new technologies like IoT, blockchain, or AI, and how do you see them impacting the future of IT? 16. Explain your experience with containerization technologies like Docker and Kubernetes, and how have you implemented them in previous projects? 17. What is your experience with network protocols, and how have you worked with them in the past? 18. Can you describe your experience with data analytics and visualization tools? 19. Explain the concept of microservices architecture, and how have you implemented it in the past? 20. What is your experience with security frameworks and protocols, and how have you ensured security in your previous projects?